welcome back to another video. Today's video was a little bit unexpected, but I was just at the petrol station and on my keys I have a lanyard, not on these ones obviously. I have a lanyard, and usually I took it over the speedo and I didn't. It got caught on my foot as I was getting out of the car and I actually bent the key in the ignition. So I'm going to try and show you as best I can. So it's slightly bent. I was at the petrol station, as I said. I had to bend it back in place so that I could start the car to get home from the petrol station. So I'm home now, and luckily I've got a spare key. When the blade on it's fine. So this key doesn't work with the car. It unlocks the car, but it sets the immobiliser off because it's not registered to the car. So in this video I'm going to show you how to pair your spare key to the car. It might already work, but in my instance it doesn't, so I'm going to show you how to do it. I've got both keys here. This is the one that's paired and working. I've used that to unlock the car to let me in, and then this is the other one. So with your other key, what you're going to do is put it into the ignition barrel and turn it to like the ignition, to the accessory position. All the lights, the stereo, everything's going to come on. Now once all the lights are on, what we're going to do is we're going to take it out of the ignition barrel. So we're going to turn it back towards us, take it out, press and hold the unlock button, and press the lock button, which is the middle button, 3 times. So we're going to press and hold this one, press this one 3 times, and then let go, and you should hear the car lock itself and then unlock itself. So let's give it a try, and you have to do it within 10 seconds. So it might be a bit of try and error. So 3, 2, 1. No, didn't get it. So we're going to try again. So put it in, accessory position, back, 1, 2, 3, unlock. So you heard that it locked and then unlocked itself. So now this key should be paired to the car. So I'm going to try and start the car. And the car starts. It's the right key. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump out the car and I'm going to just lock it and then unlock it, and hopefully the alarm doesn't go off. I'm going to take this key with me. Great stuff. So as you heard, the car locked and unlocked. That means this new key, my second key, is now paired to the car. So if you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your mini mates. As I said, this is a Mini R53 05 plate, and I'm pretty sure this key sequence, this sequence of things to do, runs across for all the Generation 1 minis, which if you haven't seen it, I did a video about all those minis. So yeah, if you check that out on the iCard up here. But yeah, so that should work on all Generation 1 minis. If you know anyone that needs a hand doing this, just show them this. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. This should work for all Generation 1 minis. This is a Mini R53 Cooper S, so it should work for all of them. I've done it in an R50 in the exact same way before. So any problems or any questions, drop them in the comments or message me on Instagram, and I'll be happy to help out. And yeah, share it with your mates, like the video, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.